Today, we have something special for you. A wireless gaming headphone loaded with great features and striking aesthetics that's designed to elevate the gamer in you and make you stand out. This is the brand new Logitech G522, so today, let's unbox and take a look at its new features. In the box, you get the G522, a detachable mic, a LIGHTSPEED dongle, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and user documentation. Taking a look at the physical overview of the G522, on the left ear cup you have your status LED, power toggle, Bluetooth pairing, and LIGHTSPEED Bluetooth connection swap button. Below that, there's the volume wheel, a raised mute button, a USB-C port, and on the other side of the same ear cup, there's a port for the detachable mic. And on the top, you have a stretchable suspension band for the perfect fit. Now let's take a look at the 3 ways to set up your brand new Logitech G522. The first method is using LIGHTSPEED. Turn on the headset by sliding the power button up. Out of the box, the headset will be in the LIGHTSPEED wireless mode, which is indicated by the white LED. Connect the included receiver to your PC, and your Logitech G522 will automatically connect to the receiver. You can check if the connection is successful if the LED indicator turns solid white on the LIGHTSPEED receiver. The next method is via Bluetooth. Turn on the headset by sliding the power button up. Out of the box, the headset is in LIGHTSPEED mode. To switch to Bluetooth mode, long press the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds, and the LED indicator will start rapidly blinking in blue, indicating that it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. On your computer, go to your Bluetooth settings, click on Add Devices, and click Connect on your G522. After successfully pairing, your LED indicator will turn solid blue. If the headset is powered down in Bluetooth mode, it will default to Bluetooth mode when powered on again, and same if applicable to LIGHTSPEED mode. Finally, you can also use the G522 in wired mode. First, turn on your headset and make sure it's in the LIGHTSPEED mode in order for it to work in the wired mode. LIGHTSPEED mode will be indicated by the white light on the LED indicator. If you're not in LIGHTSPEED mode, press the Bluetooth button to switch back to the LIGHTSPEED mode. It's indicated by the LED indicator turning white from blue. Now connect your G522 with the included USB cable to your PC. The LED indicator will turn cyan to indicate your headset is in wired mode. To switch between the 3 modes, a short press on the Bluetooth button will toggle you through the different modes. The LED indicator will represent which mode you are currently in. If the LED is blue, you're in Bluetooth mode. If it's white, you're in LIGHTSPEED mode. And if it's cyan, you're in USB wired mode. USB wired mode and LIGHTSPEED mode cannot be used at the same time. The headphone will default to wired mode when both USB cable and dongle are connected at the same time. So here's the unboxing and setup for the brand new Logitech G522. If you have any questions or for more information, visit our support site linked in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.